What's up everybody, this is me Anta Pushpandan and you're watching The Crazy Man. Today I am back with another skincare video where I am going to discuss about the one and the only sheet mask. Okay, that's for the intro. So basically, I love sheet masks. Sheet masks are really the best product that I can just talk about it every single time when people ask me like, what do you do when you don't want to like spend a lot of time doing skincare? Sheet mask it is. So for the people who don't know, and I think this lighting is quite weird because this is what we got, guys. Sorry, I have this, I don't know, I feel like I'm in jail because of the sunlight, like the bars are coming. Okay, I know I'm weird, but please stay with me. Okay, for the history of sheet mask, it was originated in Japan. It's quite popular around the world right now. Talking about sheet masks are ready-made masks with serums in it. It can be used for hydration, for dry skin, for spot reduction, for skin elasticity, glowing skin. There are many types of sheet masks. Sheet mask can be used thrice a week. Using it every day is not essential, so you can just use it thrice a week if you want. I use it whenever I feel like it, like, you know, once in a week, twice in a week if I really feel like my skin needs something. Basically, sheet masks are cloth type of materials with serum in it, and you have to apply it in your face and it stays in your skin perfectly. It is designed like you can put it like that. You have to put it for 20 to 30 minutes. You don't have to make it dry out. You don't have to do it, but after you remove it, you don't have to wash your face. First thing before you apply sheet mask is to cleanse your face, because your sheet mask doesn't cleanse it or exfoliate your skin. So first you have to cleanse your skin, then if you want you can exfoliate, then apply a toner, because that will help your skin to maintain its pH level, and toners are really great for that. So apply your toner, then apply your sheet mask, wait for 20 to 30 minutes, then take it off, apply the rest of the serum on your face, like tap it, do not wash it off, you don't need to wash it off. Then apply your serum or moisturizer that you are using, eye cream, whatever, and go to sleep. That's the only thing you have to do while applying a sheet mask, and it's really hydrating. It's really good. If you put it on your fridge and take it out while you apply it, it's gonna make your skin really glowy and, you know, hydrated. Even it gives you many different types of results for different sheet masks. The ingredients are mainly aloe vera, tea tree oil, seaweed, and grapes, strawberry. There are a lot of flavors and it's all good for your skin. So I recommend you guys to try sheet mask. It's costly because you can only use it for once, and it's quite, you know, you cannot do anything about it. You have to spend money on good skincare. So if you really want, you can check out in Nykaa. When it has sales, you will get 6 to 10 sheet masks in one go for, like, you know, one for 50 rupees or something. So I think you should check it out. And yeah, that's the whole thing about sheet mask. I will insert a clip showing how I applied my sheet mask and how it looks like afterwards. So I hope you guys like this video. This was a very random short video for you guys to explain why I love sheet mask and why you should try sheet mask. So yeah, I come up with videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. I love you guys. Bye.
I applied this sheet mask yesterday because I was exposed to sunlight and my skin literally had a burnout. So I applied this seaweed sheet mask and it is the best thing I ever decided to do. Look at my skin, guys, like, wait for it. Oh my god, this is my skin now. It just feels so good. It's so hydrated, and yeah, I love this.